Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another episode of The Big Sweep, where we tackle all your cleaning challenges with simple, effective solutions. Today, we're going to show you how to remove those stubborn rust stains from your clothes, carpet, and upholstery using simple household items. Rust stains can be incredibly frustrating, but with the right approach, they can be a thing of the past. No need for expensive products, just a few things you probably already have in your kitchen. These common items can work wonders and save you a trip to the store. Let's dive right in. We'll start with clothes, move on to carpets, and finish with upholstery. By the end of this video, you'll be a rust stain removal pro. But before we get started, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and hit that notification bell for more cleaning tips and tricks. Your support helps us bring you more great content. First up, let's tackle clothes. Imagine you've got a nasty rust stain on your favorite shirt. No worries. We've got a couple of methods to try, starting with a simple and natural solution. Grab some table salt and lemon juice. These two ingredients are a powerful duo when it comes to breaking down rust. Mix them into a paste and apply it directly to the stain. Make sure to cover the entire stained area thoroughly. Let it sit in the sun for about an hour. The sunlight helps break down the rust and enhances the effectiveness of the lemon juice and salt. The sunlight acts as a natural bleaching agent, working in tandem with the lemon and salt to lift the stain. After an hour, rinse it out with cold water and toss it in the washer. Use your regular laundry detergent and wash as usual. Magic, right? Your shirt should be rust-free and looking as good as new. Most times, you can use similar methods for removing rust from carpet and upholstery as you would use for clothing. You will need some basic tools such as a butter knife, white cloth, a vacuum, a bowl, and rubber gloves. You will also need to gather supplies including liquid dishwashing soap, ammonia, baking soda, and lemon juice. Carpets can be tricky because you can't just throw them in the wash, but don't worry, we've got you covered. Using a butter knife, loosen and scrape away any rust that you can see from the carpet or fabric fibers. Then, vacuum to remove any loose particles and lift the fibers. Mix 2 tablespoons of dishwashing liquid and 1 tablespoon of household ammonia with 2 cups of warm water in a small bowl. Dip a clean white cloth into the solution and saturate the stained area. Do not oversaturate upholstery fabric because excess moisture in the cushion or padding causes problems. Let the solution sit for at least 5 minutes, then blot with another clean cloth. Replace with a clean cloth as the rust stain begins to transfer, and dirty the first cloth. Blot with another clean cloth dipped in plain water to rinse away the soapy residue, and then let the carpet or upholstery dry. If there is any remaining stain, make a thick paste of 1/4 cup of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Spread the paste on the remaining stained areas. Let the mixture sit for at least 2 hours or until it is completely dry. Vacuum the treated area to remove the baking soda and to lift carpet or fabric fibers. Repeat the previous removal steps if the stain is still there after the first treatment, or you can try a different commercial solvent or cleaner. If rust stains are a recurring problem on your clothes, carpet, or upholstery, you'll have to figure out where the rust is coming from to prevent the stains from continuing. Rust stains from metal pieces on furniture, locks, walls, or cars are easy to track down, but sometimes the stains appear on laundry with little explanation. If the rust problem comes from iron bacteria, there are ways to treat the water. You should replace rusty pipes and water heaters as soon as possible, and you can repair chipped enamel in a washer or dryer with appliance repair paint. Pour some lemon juice directly onto the stain and sprinkle a bit of cream of tartar over it. The acidity of the lemon juice helps to break down the rust, while the cream of tartar acts as a gentle abrasive. Let it sit for 15 minutes. This gives the mixture time to work its magic on the rust stain. Grab a clean cloth, dampen it with cold water, and blot the stain. Be sure to blot, not rub, to avoid spreading the stain. Keep blotting until the stain lifts. You may need to repeat this process a few times for tougher stains. It's that simple. Your carpet should be looking fresh and clean again. Remember to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to The Big Sweep. It only takes a second, and it's free. You can subscribe to as many channels as you like, and you are supporting the channel in making future videos. For upholstery, baking soda is your best friend. Upholstery can be delicate, so it's important to use a gentle yet effective method. Make a paste with water and apply it to the stain. Baking soda is great for absorbing stains and odors. Let it sit for 30 minutes to an hour. This gives the baking soda time to work on the stain. Then, use a damp cloth to scrub the area gently. Be sure to use a light touch to avoid damaging the fabric. Be careful not to saturate the fabric. Too much water can damage upholstery and make the stain harder to remove. Once you've got most of the paste out, vacuum the area to remove any residue. This will also help to fluff up the fabric and restore its appearance. Your upholstery will look as good as new. It's amazing what a little baking soda can do. Finally, if all else fails, a good commercial stain remover can be your savior. Sometimes, despite our best efforts, a stain might need a bit more power. Always follow the instructions on the label and test a small hidden area first. This ensures that the product won't damage your fabric or carpet. Apply the remover, let it sit according to the product instructions, and then wash or rinse as directed. Follow the steps carefully for the best results. And there you have it. With these methods, you can tackle rust stains on any surface with confidence. Some easy ways to banish rust stains from your clothes, carpet, and upholstery. Each method is simple, effective, and uses items you likely already have at home. Remember, the key is to act quickly and test a small area first to avoid any damage. Quick action can prevent the stain from setting in and becoming more difficult to remove. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an episode. We love bringing you these tips and tricks, and your support means the world to us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode. Keep those cleaning challenges coming, and we'll keep providing the solutions.